Vlog day. Oh, hey. Vlog day 5, guys. Okay. I guess they're racing. Hey, guys. Vlog day never. Are you videotaping? So, yeah. I'm actually going to do the smart. Wait, guys. You want to see me and Ashley's camera? Okay. Hold on. Oh, my ring is in there. I don't think you can even see this. There's like no light on this side. Oh, this is my friend Ashley. Oh, I'll link her channel below. So yeah, this is me, guys. Oh, I probably should do it this way. Hey. Why are people, literally someone's driving on the grass. Bye, guys. Outfit of the day. No, I gotta do that in the mirror. I'll do outfit of the day later. So yeah, we're inside. Like, okay, I'm gonna put, sorry. I'm gonna go and show you the idiot people that are behind me. This is why I hate half of my school, most of it. Like, do you see these people? Like, what is wrong with them? At this point, there's just something wrong. Look at my bag. Hey! My calculator. Ashley's bag. So yeah, I'm wearing this flower shirt. It's not enough just to dream. Come on, get up. If you feel it, it's your chance to shine. I actually have that on my phone. You can sing it. Come on.
Oh, recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ew. Here, Ashley's gonna vlog for you guys. I look like an idiot. So I'm just gonna. Guys, look at Therese and come forward, you doodoo. Look at Therese and reunited with my friend. Maddie. Maddie's not ashamed to be in the vlog. Look how cute Penny is. Oh my god.
You just got 100 on this.
You just got a Maddie stepping up in photo.
No, my grade went from a 0 to a 97.
Maddie, if you guys didn't know, she wants to be a...
In 2 seconds. My parents are going to kill me with my progress report. They're all like 0.
Oh my god, earth science failing. I'm 1 point away from failing. I mean, from passing. Guys, Maddie wants to be a photographer if you didn't know.
You said you were going to make a business together. And we're going to be like, mash photography.
Ew. We all have the same response to everything that happens.
I told him I was going to my locker.
Oh god, I hate you.
Because he's there today.
Come on. Where are you gonna go? It's not. Maddie just came outside. It's nice outside.
Oh, it's not 12:40 yet.
It's not.
Maybe I don't want to be outside with Matt here. I'm just trying to make out like school play.
Okay. Every time I don't know if you guys can see how bad the wind's blowing. They don't. Ew! So ugly. Okay, I'm gonna put it again. I'm like this. Ew. Maddie loves being in these vlogs.
I was watching them the other day. I was like, what a freak. Yeah,
you're the picture for one of them. You're the picture for one of them, Maddie. Because it put you as the picture, so I was like, I'll keep
I love
it.
why this would be the reason why people think I am in entertainment. Yeah. What does that even mean? Why are you looking at me? Who was it, Jonathan? He was like, we were telling me, she's like, what does that even mean? I didn't say that. I was like, why? No, you're like, why? You're like, what is
Maddie is very intimidated. She doesn't realize it. Like, people in the hall don't even stop her because they're scared she's gonna. Maddie, whenever they're like, oh, where are you going? Maddie goes, no. Just walk. Just walk. And they don't. They're like, oh, okay.
She's like. It's like we've had your braces for like 3 years.
That's not an excuse. I'm anti-social because she is.
Oh my god, health class scared me. That girl's scary.
No,
not that thing.
Today?
That was like, explains why I have so many problems.
Oh. Oh my god.
Alright, time to pick it up, guys.
You know what's funny is that I think that is funny. It's like, yeah,
so many
the
problems.
weed is catching up to you because it gave you anxiety.
I have so many. Help, I need life alert.
Ew. In the closet, I need life alert.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Ew, Maddie's
Fallen!
standing. Look, this is me. I'm the only normal one standing.
Okay, so.
Yep.
Watch.
Maddie thinks it's Maddie said it's from something else with her brother.
He was at this old guy. My mom thought it was a pedophile, so she had to leave the theater. He's like, he was repeating what he was saying. He was like, I have fallen, and I have fallen, and I can't get up. He's just repeating shit.
Sometimes I just want to be like, shut up.
Dude, I'm so
Ashley, I guess you're just leaving.
my psycho.
Maddie here vlog while I'm fixing this.
My brother says psycho, and like he was like, he's like, I am a psycho. Well, that'd be why you're a psycho. Caitlin doesn't like me, so she's walking away from me now, and I'm gonna be that awkward person. Like,
Maddie's
look, I'm covering it up.
by 20 whenever somebody sees her.
It does. I think you're saying anxiety in the world.
She goes into her eyes and she's
Why?
like, I
Why are you staring
my
at
hair
me?
is so naughty right now.
This is gonna be forever. This video. Can I see this?
Like, here.
What's up, guys? Guys, I just
Don't face it. That what? Do I look like a psychopath?
Yep.
Where?
Behind you.
Guy in a kilt. I got him. He's a guy in a kilt, guys. Can we like get out of here? Go, Maddie, hurry. Bye. Going to the bathroom. Oh, outfit of the day. Outfit of the day.
Wrong bathroom.
Oh, the upstairs one. Okay, we'll go to the upstairs one. We'll do outfit of the day. Bye. Wait. Hold it and point it towards me. Bye. Hold it.
Ew.
Outfit of the day, guys. Maddie, what are you wearing?
Oh. Okay.
Ashley. Okay, go. Ashley's wearing a stupid shirt. Bye. Okay. Flower shirt, sandals. Bye. Wait, I forgot, guys. Bye. I almost forgot. Yes, Steven's birthday. Steven, how old are you?
I'm turning 15 at 2:40 p.m. today.
Oh, he knows the exact time.
Oh my god. And here's ugly. Okay. Bye, guys. I did outfit of the day. I'm gonna do this is outfit of the day for BB and link her channel below.
Okay, so
Alright, I was just showing the whole thing.
from Target.
Okay.
This is from Kohl's. These are from I don't know where, and these are from Kohl's, and I wear them every day. Hope you like them.
They're cute. Okay, do you want to do finish yours? Redo outfit of the day.
T-shirt. No. How we do?
Jeans.
Jeans, Macy's.
Okay.
Of course, you gotta have the boots from Macy's.
I know. Every time I talk about these boots, every time I have you in my blog,
And that's about
I wear these boots every day. All right, Maddie, do me now.
Okay.
Okay.
Maddie, raise it.
Shirt from Forever 21. Pants Forever 21. Shoes.
Erin.
Out of here. Shoes, my mom's. Yay.
Okay, Erin, outfit of the day.
Go.
Well, this is from Macy's. It's a really nice classic cardigan with a nice bow. Alright, shoes. This is from Aeropostale. It's a really nice tank. It's really nice fitted, really beautiful color, really blended.
Okay, hurry up.
These are from Hollister. They're jeggings. They're not jeans, but they actually
This is
have
a big
actual
box.
And then these are from Payless.
Can we just, Maddie, stop recording already.
Okay, Maddie.
I did mine already. Do it again.
Do Christina. Do Christina. It's her birthday.
Christina, birthday outfit. Where's it from?
Birthday edition.
This I believe is from Brooks Brothers because it's my mom's.
Cute shirt from
From that store that closed at the mall.
Charlotte Ruth.
Probably.
All right, jeans from
Hurry, we gotta finish.
This is from
Michael Kors.
This is
Get
from
the
BB.
jeans, the
And these are from Payless.
All right. Okay, BB.